What's up? It's your girl Simply Sheek, and I am back with another clothing video. So this video is mainly just with the outfits that I wore to Houston. I let you guys know that your girl was in the building and I really had a blast. It was a quick weekend trip. So I will insert all of my pictures that I took with each individual outfit because I thought I was cute on this trip. So if you want to see what a plus size girl try to, you know, when I'm trying to put myself together, you know what I'm saying, how I make that happen or what, look, I thought I was cute. I was cute. Your girl was killing it on this trip. So let me go ahead and take these rags off and go ahead and get into the video. But before we get into the video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I love these videos. It's actually making me buy more clothes, and I think I need to do that for myself. So I'm liking these videos and I have more to come. So if you like these videos, please let your girl know. Let me know how you feel. And yeah, I'll be back with the first outfit. And it's not that many outfits because it was a quick trip like I told y'all. So let me go because I can talk forever. Let me go. So this first outfit is this nice flowy dress. I wore this outfit to brunch. It goes all the way to the floor. I wore this to a place called, I forgot, but I wore it. It's nice and flowy. The back crisscross. It shows all my fat, but that's okay. This one is like effortless. It does have like a slip underneath, so that you won't be, you know, showing the people what they don't want to see. With this dress, I love this nice V type of plunge in the bust area. I love the flowiness of it. Also, I got a lot of compliments on this. We went to the mall the same day we went to brunch, and literally I like wandered off by myself and people kept stopping me like, oh my gosh, you look so gorgeous and heavenly in this dress. So it made me feel real nice and comfortable, and like I was really looking gorgeous and heavenly in this dress. I'm tall. Well, I'm not super tall, but I'm 5'7", so it literally hits the ground. It's a little bit longer than hitting the ground. I will show you all a picture of me in it while in Houston. But yeah, this dress came from Fashion Nova. I can't remember the size I got it in, but I will put that on the screen. Yeah, this is definitely worth a nice buy, and you look stunning in this dress. Like, I love this dress. So yeah, this is my brunch outfit, which I bought it for brunch and I wore it to brunch, so I'll be back. Now this outfit, this is a nice suspender little piece. So what I did was I paired this with a crop top shirt. This is cropped, and it's like a, I guess, a schoolgirl type of, skater girl type of little skirt. Let me go ahead and tilt the camera so y'all can see. Okay, so as you can see, this is the skirt. It is nice and flowy, and it's pretty short. It goes to the right above the knee. These straps, these right here are too loose and too flimsy though, so I had to wear these down. The shoes I paired it with was these stacked Doc Marten shoes. They were really comfortable, only for a little bit of time though. They were really comfortable. I stacked them with this, so it was like a really cute little look, and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, so this was my little skater girl outfit, and we wore this. It was a place called Sheek. It was like this, it was like a museum. I will insert the pictures from this outfit as well, and yeah, this is really cute. I think it covers the belly really good. Okay, I am definitely a sweaty mess right now, but this outfit, it was very comfortable. I didn't have to worry about my belly because of the way the skirt being made. sorry, I'm flashing you guys. So because of that reason, I did not have to worry about, you know, my belly or feeling insecure about my outfit. I did not have to wear any type of shapewear because it was just flowy, and it's nice to go on vacation and just feel free and not feel like I have to hide, you know, parts of my body. So yeah, this was the second outfit I wore to the museum, and let's get into the last outfit. I thought I had more, but that's all I got for y'all. I'll be back. Okay, so here's the very last outfit I wore. This one was my all black, sexy, you know, going out outfit that I really enjoy. So this top here is from Shein. I did show you all the white top like this. So it's like a basic little type of cami. It does button up at the bottom. So that's that. And then we have this skirt here. This skirt is super sexy. It looks like a trash bag, but it's so cute. It gives you the illusion that you have a nice buttocks. And it's just really comfortable. I wore this outfit with these heels. I got them from Target. This part right here dug into my feet at the end of the night, and I was like, no girl, it's not gonna work for me. But the outfit was really cute and sexy. I will definitely show you all a picture of how this looked. This skirt is from Shein. The whole outfit is from Shein. Shein been giving your girl like these looks, you know? So, okay, so I've already messed up my makeup. That's okay. So, yeah, so those were the main 3 looks. I was only in Houston for Thursday night, Saturday, and I went home on Sunday. So it was a very quick trip. It was my first time ever being in Houston. I'm so mad that we didn't get to stay longer because we're going back, and yeah, it was a ball. Houston, y'all be out there like really like having a good time, you know. Your girl is feeling it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let your girl know that you love these videos, so I can come back with more. I am really feeling the whole vibes, and I can't wait to be back for the next video. Also, I missed last week upload because of Juneteenth, number 1. Number 2, me not being on my shiznai. So I don't plan on doing that again, but I hope you all enjoyed your Juneteenth. I enjoyed my Juneteenth. And I hope you all enjoy Father's Day. I enjoy Father's Day. Right now, as I film this, this is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day. Happy late Father's Day to all the good fathers out there. And until next time, your girl Simply Sheek is up out of the building. See ya. Bye.